How to open and sync your OneNote Digital Planner on secondary mobile devices. In this video, I will address common questions about opening a OneNote Teal Digital Planner on secondary mobile devices, either your iPhone or Samsung Android phone. Since OneNote is a cross-platform, multi-device software, the steps for accessing your planner on iOS and Android are similar. While there are minor visual differences between these versions of OneNote, the steps remain the same. The OneNote mobile app is available in both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. First, download the app to your mobile phone and log in to your Microsoft account. In my example, I will demonstrate this on an iPhone. Before accessing your Teal Planner on a mobile device, the planner must first be set up on your primary device, which could be a Windows PC, laptop, or Mac. When installing the planner, choose the appropriate method based on your operating system. We offer separate installation guides for Windows and Mac users, usually included as downloadable PDFs with your purchase. This video will focus on what to do after you have installed the planner on your primary device and want to sync it with your mobile phone. Common syncing issues and how to fix them. Common issue number 1. The planner is installed locally and not on OneDrive. One of the most common issues Windows users face occurs when the OneNote planner is installed locally instead of on OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage. To demonstrate this issue, I will use our free trial planner, which contains 2 planner designs in one file. You can download this planner for free from the OneNote Obsessed website on the homepage. After downloading the planner file with the .1pkg extension, double-click on it to start the unpacking process in OneNote. Next, a dialog window will appear, prompting you to specify the storage location. If you click Create without selecting a location, OneNote may automatically save the planner to your local drive by default. I am going to intentionally leave it stored locally to show what happens when the planner is not synced to OneDrive. Next, once the planner opens, you will see the planner cover displayed. You may also notice a yellow warning message at the top of the page stating, "This notebook may not be syncing correctly." Click here to learn more. As you navigate through the different planner pages, this yellow warning message will appear on every page. If you click on the yellow warning message, OneNote will redirect you to the Microsoft support page, which states that to sync your planner, you need to move the notebook to OneDrive. Microsoft provides a shortcut for this, but I will demonstrate an alternative method using the right-click menu. Another way to confirm that the planner is not syncing is to right-click on the planner and select Notebook Sync Status. You will see that the trial planner is not listed in the synced notebooks list in opened window. Let's check the iPhone screen. If you open the OneNote mobile app on your iPhone, navigate to the More Notebooks section at the bottom of the screen and try to find the planner. It will not appear because it has never been synced on OneDrive. How to move the planner from local to OneDrive. To fix this issue, we need to move the planner from the local drive to OneDrive. Follow these steps. 1. Right-click on the planner. 2. Scroll to the bottom and select Properties. 3. In the Properties window, you will see that the planner is currently stored on the local drive. 4. Click on Change Location. 5. In the next window, select OneDrive, Personal as the new storage location. 6. Choose a specific OneDrive folder where you want to save the planner. 7. Click Select. Once you complete these steps, the syncing process will begin automatically. It may take some time for planner to sync depending on the size of the planner notebook file. When the process is finalized, a confirmation message will appear, indicating that the notebook is now syncing to the new location. On the left, you will also notice a sync icon next to the planner, confirming that the synchronization is in progress. Another way to verify that the planner is now syncing, right-click on the planner notebook and select Notebook Sync Status. In the new Sync Status window, you will see the trial planner listed in the Sync Status window. 1. Click Sync All or select Sync Now for the specific planner. 2. The notebook will begin syncing. This may take some time depending on the file size and internet speed. 3. Once complete, the sync status will update to up-to-date with time. Let's check the planner on your mobile phone again. Remember that once the planner is properly synced with OneDrive, it will be available on all your mobile devices where you have the OneNote app installed. Open OneNote on your iPhone, provided you have already logged into your Microsoft account. Scroll to the bottom and tap More Notebooks. The trial planner should now appear in the list. It should be among the top choices. Tap on the planner to open it. Once opened, you can start navigating through the pages as usual. Common issue number 2. The planner was stored on OneDrive, but it doesn't appear on the OneNote mobile app. The installation process for Windows users is straightforward. Double-clicking on the file initiates the unpacking process. In the next dialog window, specify OneDrive Cloud Storage as the storage location. Since this is a full-size planner, the unpacking and syncing process may take some time. After installation, the pages will start to appear with a slight delay, but this only occurs the first time you open the planner. If you installed the planner on OneDrive, but it still doesn't appear on your mobile phone or shows up with a delay, the main reason is that the planner is not fully synced and is not up to date. In this case, follow these steps. 1. Check the sync status of your planner on your primary device, PC or laptop. Right-click on the planner and select Sync Status. A new window will show the sync progress of all your notebooks. 2. Wait for the planner to sync completely. If the status shows syncing, give it a few minutes to complete. 3. Once syncing is complete, you can see that it will show up as up to date with a current time. If the planner status is up to date, the planner should appear under More Notebooks on your mobile device. If we check the planner on the iPhone again by opening OneNote, scrolling to the bottom of the notebooks list, and selecting More Notebooks, now the planner should appear among the top 3 choices. Smooth synchronization between devices. Once your planner is fully synced, it can be accessed on any device, including iPhone, iPad, and Android phones. Changes made on your laptop or mobile phone will sync back automatically, but sync times vary by device. The desktop version syncs every 5 minutes, while Windows 10 devices sync every 2-3 minutes. If updates don't appear immediately, you can manually force sync by selecting Sync Now in the settings. If your phone has no internet connection, changes will be saved in offline mode and will sync to your primary device as soon as a connection is restored. I hope this guide helps you successfully sync your OneNote Digital Planner to your secondary mobile devices.